what area of life? Evolution is inevitable. According to the World Bank, over 40% of the adult population and more than 2 billion people worldwide are outside of the banking system today, limiting many to a state of poverty and discouragement. This is a major problem in the world today. However, challenging times are also the most powerful times, as they make us creative, searching for newer and better solutions. The current banking system was developed over 60 years ago, but newborn ideas and innovative technology has opened the door to a financial evolution that holds the power to transform our entire world. The money we use today is called fiat currency. The term came out of the idea that a claim check or a dollar was backed up by gold.
I have directed Secretary Connally to suspend temporarily the convertibility of the dollar into gold or other reserve assets.
This changed in the 70s when the US government canceled the direct convertibility of the US dollar to gold. No fiat currency has ever retained its value over time, and the principle is easy. Every time the central bank prints more currency, the currency we have in our pockets loses its value and is called inflation. After years of inflation, overloaned markets, and irresponsible, unregulated financial management, the consequences were huge and finally led to the financial crisis of 2008. A crisis that was also the beginning of a great financial evolution. Cryptocurrency was born. The idea of cryptocurrency was to create a new currency that was free from inflation and based on the same principles as gold, where supply and demand is creating the value. An idea based on the perks of technological advancement that could provide us much faster, cheaper, and more secure transactions. Since then, a lot has happened, and around a decade later, cryptocurrency has started to impact our entire world.
Do you think this is a currency that's really going to work eventually?
Well, I think it is working, and there will be other currencies like it that may be even better.
It's legally seen as a commodity in the United States, while in the European Union, it's classified as an asset. Today, all major banks have realized the impact this type of currency will have on our monetary system, and banks around the world are now looking for innovative ways to implement cryptocurrency and the underlying technology, the blockchain, in the existing banking system. Cryptocurrency is still a new concept to a lot of people, but the innovation is becoming an accepted new form of money, just in a digital form. However, it is the underlying technology, the blockchain, that holds the power to transform not only our monetary system, but the whole way we operate in society today. Not many people believed in the internet 30 years ago. Today, around 40% of the world's population is connected to the World Wide Web. In 1995, it was less than 1%. What made the internet so successful was that it was open for anyone, and we could start sending information instantaneously worldwide. The blockchain, on the other hand, is the internet of value, and it gives us the ability to transmit not information, but value in the blink of an eye worldwide. The internet is a communications protocol, while the blockchain is a protocol for value exchange. The blockchain technology, the foundation of cryptocurrency, is right now being implemented in most areas of society. The stock market, in sales records, in contract processing, and of course, within the financial sector of payments and transactions, to name a few examples. The new era of finances that you are about to discover is the second generation of internet and the blockchain. Cryptocurrency, the future of payments, is about to revolutionize the economy as we know it today. Bitcoin had an incredible increase of value from 2009 till the end of 2013. The price of a single Bitcoin went from $0.1 to over $1,100, and many people worldwide made a fortune. At the same time, many missed out on the opportunity because they lacked information, but also the skepticism cryptocurrency initially was looked upon with. The pioneers soon showed that there was plenty of room for improvement in the future, and with the development of new cryptocurrencies, it has opened the door for a much safer and more friendly cryptocurrency. OneCoin. The founder of OneCoin, Dr. Ruja Ignatova, has a solid background in finance, with a master's degree in economy and a PhD in law. She's a former associate partner at McKinsey, managing clients such as Allianz, Sberbank, UniCredit, and other large financial institutions. Dr. Ruja also consulted other cryptocurrencies and quickly became one of the most knowledgeable persons on the topic, an expert. She clearly saw the huge potential of creating a new, innovative, more secure and accessible cryptocurrency and started to make great improvements for the future, based on a solid strategy for global expansion applicable for everyone through the cryptocurrency OneCoin. The global distribution of educational materials on cryptocurrency and the introduction to OneCoin started in September 2014 through the principle of membership per invitation only, and the company has, as a result of great leadership, already reached out to millions of people in over 195 countries around the world. The OneLife Network is, from the 11th of June 2016, the official company distributing educational packages that gives education on cryptocurrency and finance. The members can also receive promotional tokens which can be submitted to mine OneCoins. During the first operative year, the turnover was €1 billion, and only 3 months later, it reached the €2 billion mark. With approximately a decade down the road, there are many cryptocurrencies on the market today, and there are a few things most of them have in common. First of all, they are decentralized, which makes the market scattered and not openly accepted everywhere. They are designed for people with high-tech and software intelligence speculators or professional traders. They rely on unstable external factors, which makes the market itself unstable. They are mainly focusing on public trading, making them speculative, closing the doors for the mass population. They allow you to make anonymous transactions and are therefore impossible to track, inviting possible illegal misuse. They are difficult to integrate into today's economical system. So what makes OneCoin different? OneCoin is designed to be initially centralized but not government-owned, which makes it possible to control the growth and integrate OneCoin in today's monetary system. Built on a business strategy creating a strong brand and a stable market globally without high volatility. Traceable and protected with the Know Your Customer policy, known as KYC, which takes cryptocurrency to a whole new level of transparency. Primarily focused on the utility, OneCoin chooses to continuously implement more functions and open platforms for owners to trade and use coins, which is growing the market and creating a higher demand for cryptocurrency worldwide. It's user-friendly and open to all. No need for expensive equipment, special or trading knowledge. It's simply for everyone. Education is provided for all members to get empowered and to make well-informed decisions and gain financial literacy. On top of this, OneCoin is now setting a new global standard through its unique integration of the KYC procedure into the actual blockchain, which creates a high level of security and transparency. A powerful procedure that most certainly paves the way to integrate OneCoin as the first cryptocurrency to be part of the global economy. At least that's the goal. OneCoin truly holds the key to help people in emerging countries to take a leap with technology and get instant access to cryptocurrency and banking through cryptocurrency and take advantage of the opportunities in the developed countries. While most cryptocurrencies are based on speculation through public trading, OneCoin has its primary focus on utility. Since the value of cryptocurrency is based on supply and demand, the larger the area of utility, the higher the value of the coin. According to the first predictions in 2014, the value of a single OneCoin after 1 year was to reach €5. However, already 10 months later, the price of a single OneCoin exceeded the initial prognosis and hit €5.65. OneCoin is expecting a further increase in value within the next couple of years, based on the constantly growing network of miners, but also because of the numerous companies who want access to the millions of OneCoin owners to promote their services and products, thus expanding the utility area even further. This is not a promise or a guarantee in any way. However, the historical aspect of OneCoin's journey so far makes the future even more exciting, and it can benefit the entire modern society and future generations. So how does one get started? By joining the OneLife network, you get a first-class financial education that will help you become an educated miner. The education packages come in 7 different levels, starting as low as €140 and up to €27,530, offering different modules of education on finance, trading and cryptocurrency. For each level of education, you receive a fixed amount of promotional tokens. Depending on what package you purchase, you also qualify for 1 or more splits. A split will double your amount of tokens and can therefore be used to generate more coins. Once your tokens have split accordingly, you can submit them to the mining pools with only a few clicks to start mining your OneCoins. The OneLife network also offers very beneficial combinations of the various educational packages. These combinations give you access to automatic mining, so you can join the mining pools instantly without additionally waiting for a split. Besides automatic mining, these strategic combinations can also generate for you additional splits, tokens, and therefore also more OneCoins. Apart from the educational packages, OneLife has introduced its first own physical product available for members to easily access the online market. The One Tablet, a portable smart device that can be used on a daily basis and holds the potential to enhance the learning, trading, and networking business activities of any member of the OneLife network. With the tremendous growth the company has been facing, it has been dedicated not only to give more to its members, but also to give back to society. The One World Foundation is currently active in several countries where companies and members of the OneLife network continuously donate money to empower and to help children reach their full potential through education and long-term support. Cryptocurrency and this new financial market really holds the potential to create banking for the 2 billion people who do not have access to the banking system today, according to the World Bank. It's one of the most emerging markets today that can plug in the unbanked into the financial system simply by using a phone. It can eliminate the middleman that charge high fees for remittances and cross-border payments where the average fee is 7.7%, but can reach up to 29%, taking several days as well, and help people secure assets and grow capital in an extremely fast-growing market. What's creating the value of OneCoin? To meet the needs of the public mass market, OneCoin will mine a total of 120 billion coins, and the efficient blockchain is developed to allow extremely fast transactions. A continuously growing network, creating a strong brand in combination with the increasing amount of merchants that want to get access to the millions of OneCoin's owners. Constantly growing areas of utility. These factors create the value of the coins, and when OneCoin goes public, the market is already there, spread out globally, and the increase of value will most probably be a fact. OneCoin is social, global, and easy to access through the OneLife network. Networking and social media today holds a tremendous power to influence that can change pretty much any market. Do you remember Netscape and Yahoo? The search engines that were soon forgotten as the giant Google took over the complete market and introduced a user-friendly and much more sophisticated software. Do you remember MySpace, the social network platform that was soon forgotten as Facebook took over the entire market? Neither of these giants used advertisement as a way of reaching out to people. The growth of these companies was based on trust, results, and the most powerful of all elements, satisfied users and the word of mouth. The same phenomenon that OneCoin is experiencing right now. Now you have a powerful and transparent opportunity in front of you, and you can join the millions of miners, traders, and merchants to mine coins and diversify your portfolio, positioning yourself for the future to come. With this information, you can be in the forefront of this new era, an emerging market that is about to change the global economy. Decision-making is based on information, and you can now make use of the information given to you. So make sure to get your questions answered by the person who showed you this video to get started, and keep in mind that the question is not if cryptocurrency will impact your future economy. It's rather, are you ready for the new economical era emerging upon us? If you are, make sure to join this financial revolution and be part of the fastest growing cryptocurrency in the world. OneCoin.